Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix half-sword not launching on PC, including crashes, freezing, and black screen issue.
Fix 1. Check System Requirements. Step 1. Right. Click this PC Properties. Step 2. Make sure your PC meets the minimum game requirements. Fix 2. Run Half-Sword as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click Half-Sword. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Fix 3. Verify game files. Steam. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Step 2. Right. Click Half-Sword Properties. Step 3. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Fix 4. Update Graphics Driver. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand Display Adapters. Step 3. Right. Click GPU Update Driver. Fix 5. Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Step 1. Right. Click Half-Sword. Step 2. Click Properties Compatibility. Step 3. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Apply. Fix 6. Install Update Visual C++ and DirectX. Step 1. Download Visual C++ redistributables. Step 2. Install all versions. Step 3. Install DirectX and User Runtime.